Good morning, everyone. It's Gail from Ladyfingers Sewing, and once again we have a wonderful shipment of fabric, this time from Robert Kaufman. Robert Kaufman does an excellent job with their Valley Batiks, and this one is called Watercolor Blossoms in Lilac. Isn't this gorgeous? I can see this for wintertime projects or Christmas projects, and actually, you know what? That would work in the summertime too. Because it kind of gives an effect of water pretty much every season. So check that out. It's really gorgeous shades of darker blue with lavender and some teal on a grayish background. Next, there's a really pretty, soft, pinky little bud or leaf motif in stripes. The nice thing about doing this kind of chop is that they're a little bit wavy, so you don't have to worry about fussy cutting with a really cute pattern like this. And this one is called Watercolor Blossoms, and the color is peach. Next, we have this beautiful rich blue turquoise on black. This is also from the Watercolor Blossoms collection, and the color is peacock. Now we have this, everybody loves purple this year. It's like the year of purple. So this one is a really pretty grapey purple with teal and green on it. Isn't that nice? Another leafy, branchy motif. It will work well with just about everything. And this one is called Jewel. For those of you who want a nice busy background, this will do it. Now this is a really pretty ecru color with bits of denim and a nice light toasty brown. Watercolor Blossoms, and the oh no, this is Morning Mist, and the color is tan. And here comes a wonderful, wonderful butterfly motif. Great for a background or a backing. And this is Watercolor Blossoms, and the color is ivory. On to the next box. Alrighty, this is box number 2, and more wonderful batiks from Robert Kaufman. This looks like a wonderful Day of the Dead type thing. It's called Celebration, and the colorway is Celebration, so it's a multicolor, absolutely fabulous. I know a lot of you like to collect this sort of thing, and it is just celebratory. It's just absolutely gorgeous. Next, we have, oh, I like this. These are butterflies. That's the same butterfly motif that came out of the other box. And this is rich royal purple and green and teal. Goes with everything. And this is called Watercolor Blossoms, and the color is Jewel. Oh, this is beautiful. This is another Watercolor Blossom, and the color is Blossom. So you can see this is a nice in-between fabric. Not quite a background and not quite, you know, it's just right there in between where you need it. I like this too. This is white with the kind of a blue-gray Morning Mist, and the color is Cloud. This is pretty too. Okay, so this one is Watercolor Blossoms. The color is Peach. And I showed you the same chop earlier. This time it's amazing how color affects the look of a particular pattern, and this is certainly just right up there. And finally, that little bud that we saw earlier, and now we have it. This one is Watercolor Blossom, and the color is Blossom. So it's a really pretty mauvey, purpley, pinky, peachy, all on a fairly white background. So that's it for today. Be sure to check us out on Facebook and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and we hope to see you again soon.